Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Palma, and we've got a really fun song to do, and I've just gone ahead and taken my mask off so you can hear me a little more clearly. I'm just alone in my room, so it's okay. This song, Ebeneezer Sneezer, you've just listened to it, and you're getting familiar with it, and I wanted to let you know that there's a pattern to this that we can put on our solfege. You know the solfege, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We can do that with this. Yeah. So when it goes Ebeneezer Sneezer, we're down here on do. Do, 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 do. Re, 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 re. Mi, 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 mi. Fa, 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 fa. So, 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 so. La, 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 la. Ti, 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 ti. Do, 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 do. Now, when it goes down in pitch, it goes so fast, we're just gonna go, oh, Ebeneezer, what a man, just to keep that part simple, all right? So let's try it with the solfege. Do it with your hands. If you're in a place where you can sing, go ahead and sing along with it if you can. And then we're gonna start counting how many times did we repeat these things, because we're going to add a xylophone. I know what you're thinking. We don't have xylophones. We can't, touch those because of COVID. We've got an online xylophone for you. Yep, we sure do. So you're going to be able to do this on your Chromebook with a xylophone online with your headphones. It's going to be great. So let me just start the music, guys, and sing along if you want to, if you can, or just do the hand signals with me, or hum along, whatever you want to do. Here we go with Ebeneezer Sneezer. Start with do. Do, 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 do.
Topsy-turvy man walks up on his elbows every time he can. Says something, says so, every time they was. Whistle, ticky, ticky, every time they do.
Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Again. Do, 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 do. Ray, 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 ray. Me, 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 me. Fa, 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 fa. So, 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 so. La, 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 la. Ti, 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 ti. Do, 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 do. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Now let's count that pattern. Count it with me, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man.
I think we just cut onto the pattern. Let's do it one more time just to check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4,